So we can see from the diagrams here, the two diagrams from Fig 1A and Fig 1B, right? We are going to get our readings straight from here using our ruler for measurement. We are going to measure with these rulers, okay? We'll measure with our ruler and get our values. So right here, we have 47. You can notice here that this rule is broken. This ruler is broken from here. So let's start from here. Let's measure our values from the beginning. Okay, we want to get our values for L. You can see L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, and L6. So we are going to measure from here. Let's see our L1. So our L1, all right, from here we measure our L1 is 2.9. Okay, our L1 is 2.9. You can see, so here is 2.9. So we record 2.9 for our L1 from here. Okay, it's 2.9. Then our L2, we don't need to waste our time taking out the ruler. Okay, so what is L2 from here? You can see that our L2 is 3.9 as well. Okay, our L2 is 3.9. Then our L3 from here is 4.8. You can see it here. Okay, 4.8. Then our L4 from here, just take a look at it. L4 is 5.85. Okay, 5.85. Then L5 is 6.75. Just look at it. You are going to be seeing it yourself. All right. So from the ruler, just look at what's the point on the ruler. Okay. So then it's the L5 is 6.75. All right. L5. Let's look at L5. L5 is 6.75. Okay. 6.75. That's our. Remember, these are L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5. So you can see here is 6.75. Then our L6 is 7.7. 7.7. Yeah, 7.7. 7.7. Okay, 7.7. Yes, 7.7. That's our L. That's our L6. So we are done with this. Okay, we are going to convert now whatever value we get from here, multiply by 5. Look at it here. 1 centimeter to represent 5 cm. So we convert these values we have gotten now from L1 to L6 to the converted values. Then we go to D. For D, D is broken here. So we are not going to start from here. We start from 47. All right. So we start from 47 and place our D here. It's very easy. Okay. So just place the D there. Let D remain where it. We let the meter rule remain here. No change in the position. So we'll just be taking our values. Okay. From here, you can see that from 47 here, we have 1.10. So that's 48.10. That is for D1. Then for D2, this is D1. So D2, what we have there is 49.9. Okay, 49.9. Then for D3, look at D3 here. Okay, we have 51.6. That's D3. Then D4, let's go to D4. This is D4. It's very easy. Just understand, just take it from this line, okay? Where does this line touch this measurement? So for D4, we have 53.60. Okay, 53.6. So write 53.60, please. That's the record. That's what we record down here. Okay, so for the next one, which is D5, we have 55.40. That's D5 here. 55.40. Then for D6, which is the last one here, we have 57. Okay, 57.20. So that is, so these are the values. Then we convert each of them. All right, so let's be patient and let's see how we are going to do the conversion. So here, 2.90 times 5 is 14.5. 3.90 times 5 is 19.50. Then 4.8 times 5, look at it here, is 24.00. Then, so this is exactly how to get the readings. Just get the readings, then use 1 centimeter to represent 5 cm to convert it.